Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the jackhammer breakdance. First, find an open space with a smooth surface. Begin by standing with your feet about shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Keep your core tight and your back straight. Extend your arms out in front of you, palms facing down, preparing for the next step. This foundational stance is crucial for maintaining control throughout the move. Now let's master the drop. From your ready stance, quickly lower your body by bending your knees deeply. As you descend, place both hands flat on the ground. Your fingers should be spread wide for maximum grip and stability. Position your hands directly beneath your shoulders, creating a strong base. This quick, controlled drop is essential for generating the momentum needed for the jackhammer. Next, we'll add the leg kick and rotation. Once your hands are firmly planted, kick one leg out to the side, keeping it as straight as possible. This kick provides the initial force for your body to rotate. As you kick, allow your body to turn, pivoting on your hands. Maintain a strong core and keep your head up, looking in the direction of your spin. This coordinated movement is key to a smooth jackhammer. To sustain the jackhammer, use small, continuous kicks with your free leg. These subtle movements will keep your body rotating smoothly. Keep your arms locked straight and your body tight like a spinning top. Aim for at least 2 to 3 full rotations. To finish, gradually slow your kicks, bring your legs back together, and push up to a standing position. Practice makes perfect for this dynamic move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.